Hello, fellow travelers. If you're riding the Via Rail across Canada and planning a stop in Edmonton, let me share my stay at the Chateau Hotel and Conference Center, a locally owned full-service hotel just a few kilometers outside the downtown core. The hotel's location is right next to the Real Canadian Superstore, which is perfect if you're self-catering or just need snacks and supplies. It's also within walking distance to Kingsway Mall and Westmont Mall. That said, if you need to be in downtown Edmonton for business or events, you might want to stay more centrally. Check-in was smooth. The young lady at the front desk was friendly, helpful, and professional. Just a heads up, the hotel requires a refundable deposit of $250 Canadian, which came back a few days after checkout. I was given a ground floor room, which I appreciated. No need to use the stairs or elevator. Security felt solid too, with cameras around and alert staff on duty. The hallway did smell a little like an old basement at night, but the room itself was fresh and clean. I booked a queen room, about 25 square meters, for $143 Canadian a night. For that price, the value was fantastic. The room was spacious, clean, and comfortable. The decor is a bit dated. Think dark carpet, light walls, and warm lighting. But everything was tidy and well maintained. The bed felt even bigger than a queen, closer to a king. It came with a mountain of pillows. Great for side sleepers like me, though maybe not ideal if you prefer a flatter pillow. There was a TV, a desk and chair, and a love seat by the window. Now, fair warning, the curtains don't fully close, so if you're a light sleeper, bring a clip or eye mask. The air conditioning worked well, though a bit noisy. Thankfully, Edmonton's spring weather was cool enough that I didn't need it much. The room came with a microwave oven, super handy with a giant supermarket right next door. There was also a Sunbeam coffee machine, but only a couple of pots, so you'll need to ask for extras. There's also a safe, though I couldn't get mine to open. The closet space was generous, complete with plenty of hangers and ironing amenities. The luggage rack was also well designed, featuring large drawers for extra storage. The bathroom is compact but clean. There's a pedestal sink, toilet, and a combined bathtub and shower. The bathroom was well lit and well ventilated, with enough towels and a large mirror above the sink. Just a tip, be careful getting in and out of the tub, especially if you're older or less mobile. They provided shampoo and conditioner, but no body wash, so do bring your own. Just outside the bathroom, the external vanity area included a large sink with an ample countertop, hand soap, fresh towels, and a hairdryer. A convenient setup for getting ready without crowding the main bathroom. Housekeeping was fantastic. They respected the do not disturb signs, and when I did request cleaning, the room was spotless. There's a paid breakfast, with prices ranging from $5.40 to $16. But honestly, with a microwave in the room and a huge grocery store next door, self-catering is easy and economical. One of the best surprises is its on-site self-service laundry. This wasn't mentioned in the hotel listing, so I was thrilled. Just get tokens from the front desk. They're very helpful. Detergent and softener are available for purchase. And there's even a filtered water dispenser next to the machines for your refillable bottle. The gym is compact, but has everything you need. A multi-station machine, treadmill, stationary bike, and even a massage chair. Ice machines are available on every floor, perfect for cooling drinks or keeping snacks fresh. All in all, I enjoyed my stays at Chateau Louis. It's not luxurious, but it's clean, secure, and practical, especially for long-distance rail travelers like me. And with the supermarket next door, laundry on site, and solid amenities, it made for a really convenient stopover. The only downside? No direct public transport from the Via Rail station. But if you're traveling light, like I was with just a backpack, it's manageable on foot. Thanks for watching. Safe travels and see you in the next video.